and his colleagues used the same trial to give you three different results. And this is typical of the retina guys, I believe, that in one trial you have three different conclusions, and each one goes breast thumping and saying that I am right. I really love your guys' chutzpah, honestly. Guys are good at this. Yeah. I also like the way Ajay said that his patient did well only after cataract surgery. And this is what happens when retina surgeons have a problem. This is what they do, ask for mom. Come on, your thing is not working. So does cataract surgery work? No. Do pigs fly? They don't. Come to dad, he'll explain it to you how it doesn't happen. Here's a link identified between cataract and ARMD. And Dr. James Meisel said that it worsens it. What happened? David Sagau questioned it. He questioned the entire study and he found that there was no adequate control. Just no control group. And you publish a scientific study and say that cataract and ARMD are linked. There was a selection bias too. What this was is a fuzzy study. And we found that Meisel is a paid consultant for pharma and PDT companies. This is the kind of evidence that Dr. Arora and his company rely on. The flaws in the D evidence, they don't take phaco time, phaco energy, OT time, amount of irrigation fluid, hydrofisting, whether there was any event in the surgery, nothing is taken into account. ARMD is associated with what? With any and everything it has been associated, including marriage. Can you believe that? These are your studies I'm going to throw at you here. Associated population-based studies may be associated is one. Here it says thyroid, marital status, higher education, cardiac disorders, everything is associated with ARMD. Come on, yaar. Are you married, son? Yes. You are. Okay. So, here you have, you know, I noticed all your trials were 92, 2003, 2006. Come on, yaar. Come with current evidence here. Now, here in Korea, you found did not show any association between cataract surgery and any form of ARMD, early, late, and all. Cochrane review, this is the holy grail. And the Cochrane review, February 17, which is the update of the 12 review. And the Cochrane review is like the Dashavatar. It's the Dashavatar of everything. You see the Dashavatar? 2 RCTs, 114 participants, significant cataract and ARMD. Risk of bias was unclear. At 6 months, improvement in the visual acuity after cataract. At 12 months, it says, we don't know, we can't say it this way or that way. So, none of them had an exudative ARMD during the 12-month follow-up. It's not possible to draw a reliable conclusion from the available data as to whether cataract is beneficial or harmful in ARMD at the end of 12 months. So, this is Cochrane. This is Cochrane, okay? Respect it. Is cataract justified in patients with ARMD? Conclusions. Mild, moderate degrees of ARMD benefit. Here you are. No surgery, visual outcomes poor or the stable. With surgery, the visual outcomes definitely improve. Now in NARMD, what happens? Evidence of a modest effect of cataract surgery on lesions or activity being treated for NARMD. Despite this, visual outcomes were reassuringly good. Cataract surgery within 6 months of starting treatment for NARMD should be avoided if possible, but in wet, what do you see? Same thing. Having received one intravitreal anti-VEGF prior to surgery, significant improvement in vision, can safely undergo cataract surgery. Patients with stable preoperative, this is the holy grail, with stable preoperative fluid on OCT should be considered for cataract surgery. This is the Buddhi, it's in Haryana, here. This is the tree where Krishna gave Arjuna the Gyan, okay? And here, I tell you that recent evidence does not find cataract surgery to cause or worsen ARMD. Final, let's redefine the issue. Look at your patient. You recommend cataract surgery. Who should recommend? What are the prerequisites? Who counsels the patient? And these doomsday outlook guys, the retina guys, or the realistic picture from the cataract guys. It's a no-brainer conclusion. No-brainer conclusion, and that is beards make life better. Thank you.